In this video, I'm going to show you how I get Roblox Voice Chat on my Roblox account and ways that you can fix common issues with not getting Roblox Voice Chat. Please keep in mind that you need to follow these exact steps to work. So let's get started. So the first one is check your account if your age is 13 plus. If your account is not registered or verified as being 13 plus, this will unfortunately not work. So the second step is make sure that your account has a verified phone number and email. It's basically security method on Roblox because you can only register your one phone number to each account, so that people won't keep making new accounts if their voice check gets banned. So you can do this by going to your privacy and security settings. Third one is you want to check your chat settings. If you have custom chat settings, you probably want to change this that they're open to everybody. Another thing that can impact your ability to get Roblox voice chat, if your account has had recent warnings or suspensions. If you've gotten banned on your account a lot, Roblox will likely not to give you access to Roblox voice chat because they don't think you'll be responsible with it. So the last thing, another key is adding two-factor authentications to your account. Accounts with two-factor authentication are more likely to get access to Roblox voice chat. So once you applied everything I mentioned in this video, so just have to wait for about a week and see if you get access to Roblox voice chat. If you're using a mobile, make sure you're updating your app and save the newest version of Roblox. So there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.